we have more people to people contact as compared to the government level. In 1950, both the country signed the peace of treaty. A very good afternoon, friends. My today's lecture topic is Indo-Nepal relations. So I have divided my topic into three parts. First, I will be talking about the connection between the two countries. Then we'll be talking about the present situation and the crisis what is going on. And finally, we'll be talking about the way forward. So friends, we have geographical, historical, cultural and economic tie with Nepal. Not only do the two countries share this open border and movement of people, but they also have a strong connection through the family and the marriage links. We are having a 1850 kilometers of long border with Nepal. We have more people to people contact as compared to the government level. In 1950, both the country signed the peace of treaty. Now, because Nepal is a landlocked country, it is totally dependent on India for its trade and movement of goods and peoples. Now, we all know that Nepal shares border with five Indian states, and also it acts as a buffer zone between the China and India, and that is why Nepal is strategically very important for India's security point of view. Now, we have seen from the past few years, because of the political instability and Chinese influence in Nepal, Communist Party in Nepal, we have seen we are having a very, a relationship was suffered. Nepal blamed India for the 2015 Madhesi crisis, that is the blockade in the border, and then we have seen it released a political map which claimed Indian territory of Kalapani, Lipu Lake and Limbuyadura Pass. Then we have seen Nepal also blamed India for the COVID, 19 disease. So, and in reply to that, we have seen our General Navane. He stated that Nepal raised this dispute because of the behest of the, we can say foreign country like China. So, talking about the present situation, then we can say because we are having a more people to people contact, and that is why the KP Sharma Oli Communist Party has he has forced to make a good relations with India. That is why we have seen last year during the 15th of August, KP Oli personally congratulated PM Modi. Now we have seen Prime Minister Modi in his 6 years of tenure frequent visit of 4 times in Nepal. That show how much Nepal is important to us. Now a few months back we have seen our subsequently frequent visit by our army chief and the raw chief to Nepal, where our army chief got the general rank of honor. After that, we have seen India released a lot of line of credit to Nepal, and also India give millions of vaccine doses to Nepal. Now, talking about the way forward, then friends, we need to understand that both the country are dependent on each other. Now, the foreign country like China and Pakistan, and we can say Turkey is wanted to make Nepal land where it can be used as a threat for India. So on the other hand, it is the responsibility of India to make investments on the Nepal so that it should not be comes under the depth of China. And that is why we have seen both the country are conducting more and more projects on dams, roads. Indian BRO are conducting more projects on Nepal, and then we both the country are conducting military exercises like Surya Karan. And then we have seen that there are many tie which is being in the restored in the future, and we will be having a good relations with Nepal in the future, and that the other country will not make any influence on it. Thank you very much.